Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to replace your brake pads on your BMW F33, F32 and F36. It's an easy process, but I've already disassembled it, but I want to show you exactly how to do it. So first you need to remove the plate, anti-rattling plate, which with a screwdriver you can just pop it out very easy. Then you have at the back two caps here, so you need to take the caps out. Then you need an 8mm Torx to remove the screw that sits inside here. They're looking like this, so not too much thread. That's the hole. You have one up there and one slightly below, and after that you need a screwdriver to force the caliper to come out. Nothing major, it'll come up quite easy. You remove the caliper. As you can see, the back pad will sit there, so you need to actually pull it. It's sitting on some springs. That's it. And the front one will just come out really easy. After that you need to use a press to force the cylinder to go back. So after you push the piston back, you then can add the brake pad, and then all you need to do, just put the caliper back, and then you can put the screws up, put the plate back, and job's good. So quick tip: before you start pushing the cylinders back, open the cap on the brake fluid tank. Then any pressure added will be released, so you're not gonna have like negative pressure pushing the piston back in place. Yeah, hopefully this is helpful. If you enjoy it, give me a like, subscribe, drop me a comment, and I'll reply. Take care.
Okay, let's go.